What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to fix the problems of comments not showing on YouTube Shorts, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So this is basically a how to fix a problem video. So I'm not going to be showing you nothing too much, but I'm going to discussing with you the sources of the problems and how to solve them. So basically there are two possible troubles with YouTube not showing comments on the shorts. So basically while uploading videos you have the option to disable the comments. Maybe you enable that option, so go to your YouTube studio and open the video settings, then enable the comment option from there. So maybe you did not turn on the comment option on the video, so basically that could be a trouble. People cannot be commenting on the video, that's why you not see the comments. And of course, if you know there should be a comment and it's not showing, basically you can do is if you can't find the comment in top comments, sort the comments by newest first. So newest scroll to find your comment, and if your comment does not show in newest first, if it may have been moderated by the channel or removed by the YouTube for a policy violation. So overall, those are two ways on how to fix comment not showing on YouTube. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.